Ooh, that doesn't look like fun. Good morning, everyone. I am coming to you from Epcot this morning at the first day of the International Flower and Garden Festival for 2019. I'm super excited because I've never actually been to this festival before, so let's go check it out. So we're mostly here today to just look around and see the displays and other things that we can see. But I do have some fast passes, and the first of which is almost over, but I think it's the most appropriate one for the day. It's Living with the Land, so I think I gotta go catch that one before we go start looking at everything else. Even on the way over to the land, there's a cool thing that's here for the festival. It's a sculpture out of recovered trash, which is sad, but at least they're putting it to good use, and they are showing some penguins. To go along with Disney's annual Earth Day release of a documentary, this year is about penguins. So we're excited to see that. We saw the trailer not that long ago and it looks really cute. But as cool as that penguin is, I'm late for my fast pass. Or not late yet, but I'm getting there. So I gotta get to the land. I stand by that this mosaic mural is super underrated with how cool it is. It should be an Instagram wall. Machi Machi. You know that it's going to be a busy day at Epcot when Living with the Land is at 40 minutes. I saw this last time we were here and I want to know what it is. Love going on Living with the Land. I don't know. It's just such a nice attraction. It's mellow, and I felt like it just went along with Flower and Garden really well. So we had to take care of that first. We're gonna do one more thing before we go in full investigate the festival mode, because we gotta go pick up our pass holder magnet. So let's do it. It is super busy here today. We were just here a couple of days ago with our friend Jackie, super enthused for her birthday, and some other friends, and it was not like this at all. We walked on to Living with the Land that day, and it's 40 minutes today, so it's gonna be a busy day, but we're still gonna have some fun. This is why we're here right now, to go get Pluto. So we picked up Pluto. It's very cute. We'll have to come back with Kara a different day to get hers, but he is very cute. Let's go check out the butterfly house. I also got a festival passport at the butterfly house, so we'll have to check that out. I don't know if I'm gonna eat anything today. I might though. We were nice enough to have a friend give us a gift card, so we'll see. So there's not a lot of butterflies in there yet. There were some. There's a lot of chrysalises, so there's gonna be more butterflies hatching in there soon, which is pretty cool. And when it's no longer Festival of the Arts, you move Figment back by imagination and take his art supplies away. But he's still very cute. It's a nice topiary. It's nice to see these construction walls down that have been up since essentially Food and Wine was over. And see the cool things that they've done. This is a really cute, like, kind of cool area for the kids to play while you get to hang out and sit in some nice chairs. I like this. This is very cute. Very cool. And this thing's down on the other end of it, which is pretty cool looking if you're a little kid. Sometimes playground equipment makes me wish I was a little kid again. You know. It's pretty crazy how they retheme these booths, because this was a deconstructed booth at the Festival of the Arts. But now it's the Citrus Blossom, and it's all very citrusy. So I didn't realize that this line, this ridiculous line, is for the sipper cup. That is crazy. Crazy, crazy. I had to come over to the Pineapple Promenade and get the violet lemonade that I've heard so much about. Never actually had it, so I'm excited to try it. And I found my friend Dev.
We finally made each other because getting in here was a madhouse.
Like, yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah, I don't know how we found each other, but we did it.
So now we're gonna hang out for a while.
Yeah,
I'm excited. Haven't seen you in a minute.
I know, it's been a while. Good to see you.
Yeah. So here's all the things you can get at the Pineapple Promenade. But we are getting the frozen lemonade that I've heard so much about, but I have not yet had.
I don't know, that beer looks pretty darn good too.
Yeah, it all sounds actually pretty good. This is the violet lemonade that everyone talks so much about. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I didn't talk about the violet lemonade. It was really tasty. I heard Dev refer to it as a purple Jolly Rancher, and that's kind of close actually. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. Wouldn't get another one today, but when I come back, I would totally drink another one of those. It was really good. We made our way into the Odyssey, and here is the Flower and Garden specific ears. They're pretty cute. And the Spirit jersey. Put a little zest into your fest. That's pretty good. I like it. It's all like violet lemonade theme too, which is pretty cool. Violet lemonade socks. There's some mugs. It's cute. And a coffee mug. And we've got some garden ornaments. Those are pretty cute. Epcot tank top. I like the tote bag a lot. I like the logo. It's really cute. Hat's cute with turnip the fun. And what I would probably buy, because I just like raglan shirts, and it says turn up the fun, which is pretty cute. You can let your imagination grow wild with Figment. It's pretty cute. And there's a bunch of really cute mini merch. Little gardening mini keychains, and a watering can mug. It's very cute. A gardening mini Tervis. And if you're into the Dooney and Burke stuff, there's some of that too. And here is a bunch of the pass holder merch. Some Figment shirts. And there's some mugs that look like flower pots. It's pretty cute. And some Figment Tervis tumblers. So sadly, my time with Dev has come to an end. He had to leave to go to work. But I'm going to still try and make my way at least for one loop around the World Showcase. Near Africa, we have this topiary of the Lion King. It's really cute. This is the booth in Italy. And I thought maybe the pizza sounded kind of good, but this line is crazy. I will not be waiting in that today. And now this is no longer Broadway stuff. It is Garden Rocks, which starts tonight with Journey. And whatever their lead singer is now, it's also a Steve, but it's not Steve Perry. I don't know. There you go. Tonight through the 8th is Journey with former lead vocalist Steve Algari. So he must have been after Steve Perry. Huh, interesting. America's food booth is the Smokehouse. And geez, I just probably should have gotten more things earlier when the lines were a little better. Because this is crazy. So here is the menu for the Smokehouse. It smells really good, I'm not gonna lie. And this beef brisket burnt ends and smoked pork belly slider sandwich sounds really good. I'm gonna have to come back for that, but I just can't bring myself to wait in that line today. And this is the booth in Japan. There's the frushi that everyone talks about, but it's got melon and coconut, which isn't my jam.
What?
We're at the Taste of Marrakesh. I think I may have found my thing that I'm gonna try. Fried cauliflower. It all sounds pretty good. Let's do this. So we got the fried cauliflower from the Taste of Marrakesh. It's got a sauce and looks like parsley and some capers on there. It smells good. So we'll give it a try. Alright, I took care of that. There's a little more parsley than I would care for, but also overall pretty good. That was spicier than I expected it to be, but it was really tasty. I would totally get that again. That is definitely one for the win column. So this display is called the Urban Spice Garden. It's pretty cool. Got the little bee, he's cute. And like fennel and chili peppers. Black pepper. And a bunch of spices in the middle there. That's really interesting. And this is the menu for the Florida Fresh booth. Sounds interesting. I don't think there's anything I'm dying to get today, except, oh, Sean and Sheikah loved that key lime tart though. Alright, I had to do it. This will probably be my last food thing for today. But I remember how much Sean loved this key lime tart. I think it looked a little different last year, but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. And I do love like key lime pie and stuff like that, so I had to do it. So the key lime tart is really good. It's just like a little tiny key lime pie. I enjoyed it. I don't know that I'd freak out about it as much as I remember Sean doing it. Maybe I'm remembering it more than the big deal that he made about it. Maybe it wasn't quite as big of a deal, but it's good, and I would get it again. So thank you for joining me on the first day of the Flower and Garden Festival. We tried a little bit of food, we saw some people, we saw some of the topiaries, but there's so much more to see, and we'll be back soon. But thanks for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.